him. I don't think so. I've heard you're smart. Maybe the smartest second graders in the entire school district. But I'm smart too. And I've given you some very, very challenging work to do this week. I hope you're ready for the task. Otherwise, Spider-Man will stay locked up forever. Ha ha ha! Use your superhero skills and see what you can do. I hope you're ready for the task, because I'm not going easy on you.
Oh my gosh, did you hear? Do you think we're up for the challenge? You know what this means, don't you? Yeah, let's do it. That's it. We have to use our superhero powers to solve these Tangram puzzles this week and free Spider-Man. He's got to keep the city of Rochester safe. Boys and girls, it's our time. We've got our capes on and we are ready for our missions. I hope you're ready and all of us are ready to use our superhero, super smart, super strength powers to solve these Tangram puzzles so we can free Spider-Man. Say it with me. Free Spider-Man, free Spider-Man.
So I'm guessing you're like me right now and wondering what's a Tangram and how am I going to work with Tangrams this week to help Spider-Man escape evil Dr. Bunny Rabbit who has him locked away. Well, so let's get started. A Tangram is a square, which we can tell this is a square because all four sides are the same size or length. So we can know that this is a square, and it is a square that is cut into 7 pieces. So we have 1, 2 large triangles, then we have 1, 2 smaller triangles, then we have 1 medium triangle. We have a parallelogram, which is right here with the star on it. A parallelogram we talked about when we were talking about our 2-dimensional shapes, our polygons. And then we also have a square right here in the middle. And that's a square, it's just kind of tipped to the side. If we rotated it, would be a square. Tangrams are a Chinese puzzle that many people use in the entire world. So we talk about the world right here, and we've talked about our 7 different continents. We know that we live in North America. Underneath us is South America. Across the ocean is Europe, Africa, Australia, and Antarctica. And the one continent we haven't talked about here is Asia. And in Asia is where China is, which is where these puzzles originally came from. Here's a map of China right here. It's a very large country on the continent of Asia, just like we're a very large country on the continent of North America. The United States of America is a country in North America, which we've talked about quite a bit. So here's an example of a Tangram right in the middle, and they moved these different pieces around. They colored the Tangram pieces, and they moved them around to here make a rabbit, here make a fish. This one we're kind of confused about. I'm interested to hear during our Zoom today what you think this one might be. Mr. Ferrer thought it was a bird. I kind of felt like it looked a bit like a snail, but I just couldn't tell 100%. So let's definitely talk about that today during Zoom. We have a person that's like running excitedly, how I'd be running if I was seeing you right now because I miss you so much. A rocket ship, a helicopter, a sailboat, and a person running. It looks like almost like a football player. That reminds me of my boys playing football out at recess. So this week we will be working with Tangrams, which are coming in the mail. And tomorrow, when you get those in the mail today, you're going to just set them aside because tomorrow we're going to work together to color them and cut them out so that we can start building different Tangram puzzles. Your assignment today is to find a red, yellow, orange, green, brown, purple, blue writing utensil. They can be markers, they can be pens, it can be crayons, it can be colored pencils, anything that you have in your house that will make a mark on a piece of paper that are these colors, and set them on the table, take a picture of them, send it to me for your homework point, and set them aside so that you don't lose them. And then tomorrow we're ready to go with our red, yellow, orange, green, brown, purple, and blue writing utensil. If you are missing one, you don't have a certain color, no worries. We'll figure it out. We'll talk about it today during Zoom. Miss you lots. Love you lots. Bye.